Hello friends, Imtiaz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel URL or your handle name. So, for this, you have to log into your youtube.com or and click and visit your profile. And from there, you have to click Customize Channel. I'm in the inside of channel customization of YouTube Studio. From here, you can change your banner image, your profile picture, your channel name, your handle, your description, and everything. In my case, my custom URL was set to Fosty, which was my previous channel name, and I want to change it. So for this, there's two ways you can change it. First of all, click here and click on the Learn More. Well, from here, you can click on the youtube.com/handle, change your handle, which is set to Subham's marketing at this moment for me right now. Click on the change handle button, and here you can in this handle option you can set your new handle. As I am not going to change my channel name, I'm leaving it blank. Okay, you just have to select your desired name here and confirm the selection. That's it. Your handle will be confirmed here. From here, you can also change the handle from here, but at first I have shown you that way because sometimes this option gets blocked in some cases. I've seen in another account. That's why I have shown you the longest way for doing this. So thanks for watching. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.